Why use 3D smile simulations in your full implant bridge consultations? Sometimes it's hard for a patient to picture himself with the new treatment solution you're proposing. So the 3D smile simulation is a new and innovative, fast solution that can help show your patient how an upper and lower fixed dental bridge can look like. And most importantly, it can be designed right in front of a patient on its first consultation, which gives them the chance to digitally preview the new smiles and better chance for your practice to achieve higher conversion. So let me show you how it works. So as you can see here, all you need is a frontal picture of the patient. Make sure the patient head is centered and that the mouth is slightly open for you to do your 3D smile simulation. Notice here that I have already the 3D smile frame, and it will always appear once you restart the design process to help you making it fast. Then the second step is by simply adjusting the position of that 3D smile frame, where you can tilt it, you can make it larger, you can make it smaller, according to what you were pre-planning here in this stage, to then add the colors back and hit simulate to simulate the 3D smile simulation. Over here under templates, your patient and yourself can select together different teeth templates. They are all natural looking, and it helps you to better understand on the next process, which is to create a 3D implant bridge design for you to print and test. But here, as a preview of that first consultation, it already gives the patient the chance to participate on the process by selecting the teeth templates. All very intuitive. As you can see, you simply tap on it and it will automatically change here on the simulation. And then you add some colors. Over here, we can select an A1, B2, for example, M01, and then adjust its brightness to it. And that's it. Another thing that I really like about this new feature is that you can now also, as you can see, design the lower and the upper, but you can also simulate as if the patient was opening their mouth. That way, you're able to have a more realistic simulation to your first consultation, giving the patient a better understanding and a better experience onto the treatment itself. Right? Then after that, you can just hit next and you will have here a before and after picture. The before and after picture will definitely help the patient to fully understand the process and be more committed to the treatment that you are proposing to her.